This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming both consoles are updated, and you have the game account credentials and 2FA ready. Once done, back up any local saves to the cloud or external storage so you don't lose progress. Make sure subscriptions and platform store purchases are visible in your account. This avoids surprises when you sign into the new console. Start on the original console and sign out of any game-specific or platform-linked sessions to free the account for reconnection on the other device. Now you unlink the game profile on the old console. This prevents account conflicts. Next, on the new console, sign into your platform account, the same email, and download or install Marvel Rivals. Then relink your game account by following the in-game or settings prompts. You'll often confirm via email or 2FA. This step restores purchases and cross-save entitlements because the platform validates ownership and any cloud saves associated with your account. Take your time to confirm each permission and setting before continuing. Finally, launch the game on the new console and verify that your progress, cosmetics, and purchases are present. This confirms the transfer succeeded. Once confirmed, reapply your preferred controls, HUD, and privacy settings so gameplay feels familiar. If something is missing, sign out and back in, check the platform's linked account page, and clear the game cache or reinstall if necessary. As a troubleshooting tip, if linking fails, temporarily disable extra security apps and retry the account link to ensure verification messages reach you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.